Hello folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. Today's video is about worm bin feeding and harvesting castings. Today is March the 4th, 2019. Hello folks, today we're going to be feeding our worms in our worm farm, and we might even harvest a few castings. So we're going to take and see what we can see what we have here. Oh, do you like my hat? My wife bought it for me for Christmas, and I love it. It is a warm 27 degrees out here on this March the 4th, and trying to spit a little bit of snow, but you know, always something to do in the garden. We'll take and uncover this and see what we got. Looks like it's a little bit froze. I keep this cover on top of it to keep it dry, keep the water from going into it. Sorry for the moving around a little bit here, but got to get you set up to where you can actually see what's going on. Oh yeah, look at these worms in here. Oh yeah. Harvest a few castings here. Now I'll take these inside my greenhouse and I'll sift them. I don't know if you can see this or not, but you see a few drops of snow every now and then. Try not to get no worms in it. That's enough for right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rake this back over. Yeah, look at them worms. Oh yeah. Look at there. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah.